Hello, this isn't a tutorial video, this is actually a celebration for actually finally reaching 10,000 subscribers. So thank you to everyone that has subscribed to me, everyone that watches my videos. It means a lot that I've made this far. And to celebrate, just doing a small giveaway. It's going to be mainly craft supplies with a couple extra bits as well. So the first one is going to be some pom-pom makers. This is a set of two, you get two different sizes. So that'll be, so you can use that to make some nice pom-poms. This is an LED cloud light, but what it is also is you can actually write on it. It comes with the pin as well. So this is one that I have myself, and you can draw on it like that. It lights up obviously, but this doesn't come with batteries because I'm not allowed to send batteries through the post. What does it take? It takes 2 AAA batteries. So switches on. It's actually a lot brighter than it comes up on the camera, and then you can wipe it off. So it's like a whiteboard. So you'll be getting one of those. Also, this, I love chocolate. I don't know if you love chocolate, but I certainly do. And this is just a really cool little, it's a little notepad, but it looks like a chocolate bar. So I thought that was really cool. Another thing, I've got 2 of these. There's a princess one and a Minnie Mouse one. You may have seen these in like a tutorial I've done before. If not, you can go and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description so you can actually see what these are. They're basically like for card making and scrapbooking. You kind of like can layer up the different pieces. So you layer up that on top of that, that on top of that to make it like a 3D effect. So again, the Minnie Mouse and the princess set. Also a dream maker kit. This is very similar to one that I've reviewed. This isn't the exact same one. It's actually from a different store, but it's pretty much a similar thing. So you can make your own dream catcher. It will come with all the little bits you need, so you don't need to buy those individually, and the instructions as well. And last but not least, something I've made, but you will be getting as well, is a pop tab bag. So this is actually a shoulder bag. It's I don't often make ones with like all the different coloured tabs in it, because I don't have many of the green tabs and the blue tabs. So this is a quite unique one. So it's just got like a shoulder strap that goes on your shoulder, and this is the main body of it. It's got a zip for closure, and it's got some soft white fabric inside. So you'll be getting that as well. The only rule in this giveaway is that you have to be subscribed to my channel. Another giveaway I did with when I hit 1 million views, that was to everyone because that was a views one. But this one, because I'm celebrating actual subscribers, you have to be subscribed to enter. And all you have to do is just simply comment below. Doesn't have to be anything particular, just to say you want to enter the competition. And I'll pick one of those comments at random, and I will I'll contact you like through YouTube, so you know it's me. And you've got to be able to give me your address, obviously, so I can send these out. So if you are younger than 18, you're going to need permission to actually give me your address. If you're over 18, that's fine, you're an adult. Do what you want. So, good luck with this. I am going to run it. What is the date today? It's the 16th. And I will run this. I'll put it on for a month. You got a month to comment below. And I will pick the winner on the 17th of May. So, good luck. And again, thank you so much for subscribing. And that's it. Yes, good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye.